Hello and welcome to another video tutorial on computer networking. In this video I will explain about the second layer of the OSI reference model, which is data link layer. Data link layer allows devices to access the network to send and receive messages. It allows to send and receive messages through a network device which we call switch. Offer a physical address to a device that device data can be sent on the network. Offer a physical address so a device data can be sent on the network. In a network, it provides the physical address. By physical address mean MAC address. Work with the device network software when sending and receiving messages. It provides error detection capability. It is responsible for node-to-node delivery of data. Data link layer receives the data from the network layer and create frames. Add physical address to these frames and pass them to physical layer. Now it receives the data from the network layer. Network layer is the third layer of the OSI reference model. It receives from this data frame at physical layer. What the data link layer do? It adds physical address. Physical address, it, for example, it is the frame. It just adds the physical address, and these frame and pass them to physical layer, and it is passed to this address to physical layer. This is the 7th layer of the OSI reference model. Data link layer, which we are now studying, is the 2nd layer of the OSI reference model. Data link layer consists of 2 layers. Medium access control, MAC. Establish and maintain link between communicating devices. What does it do? MAC address, MAC medium access control. It establish and maintain link between two communication devices. When we have two communication devices, it maintain links between them. Logical link layer. Define the method and provide addressing information for communication between network devices. For example, if we have network devices, logical link layer, it provides the method how to communicate between these devices. It provides that methods. Function of a data link layer. Physical addressing. The first and the foremost functionality of the data link layer is physical addressing. After creating frames, DLL data link layer add physical address of sender receiver MAC address in the header of each frame. When it create like frame, it add physical address in the header of each frame. Framing. DLL divides the bit received from network layer into frame. Frame contain all the addressing information necessary to travel from source to destination. Flow control. DLL data link layer prevent the fast sender from drawing the slow receiver. For example, when the communication is taking place, if one device is fast enough and the other the destination device is slow one, so it slow a bit down, because this is the functionality of DLL data link layer. It prevent so that not too much data is passing from sender to receiver. Access control. When single communication channel is shared by multiple devices, MAC layer of DLL data link layer provides help to determine which device has control over the channel. For example, when we do multiplexing, it control which MAC layer control determine which device has control over the channel. Error control. It provides the mechanism of error control in which it detects and retransmit damage or lost frame. For example, if there is some frame lost or damage, it control this and it resend this frame. It is the functionality of data link layer. Common network computing devices which function at layer 2 include network address, network interface card (NIC), Ethernet and token ring switches, bridges. Now let's discuss some of this. Bridge. A bridge is a hardware device also used to connect two lane segments to extend a lane. By bridge we can also use to extend lane. Unlike a repeater, a bridge uses two NIC network interface card to connect two segments. For example, we can also use repeater. It retransmit the signal so that the signal strength can be maintained. It listens to all traffic and recognize frame format. It also forward only correct complete frame and discard the collided and error frames. Switch. A network switch is a computer networking device that connects devices together on a computer network by using packet switching to receive, process, and forward data to the destination device. It works on layer 2 in data link layer. Unlike less advanced network hub, a network switch forward data only to one or multiple devices that need to receive it, rather than broadcasting the same data out of each of its ports. In this, it reduces the broadcast in the network. That is why switch is a wonderful device, an intelligent device than hub, and it reduces the broadcast because it sends data to that port which it needs instead of broadcasting to all ports as in hub. So it reduces the broadcast and traffic congestion in the network. This is the switch, Cisco switches. I take it from internet. You can see, and that's it for today. See you in the next video.